Hi folks, there's one last tool I want to show you here with regard to crosshatching, and then that is how to scale. Now, scaling means that you're basically changing the look of your crosshatch and making it bigger or smaller. It doesn't really make a difference if you're doing a solid hatch, but it does matter if you're doing lines or some other pattern. So I'm going to use this triangle to describe that. Crosshatch tool again. I'm going to pick really any of the angled lines or patterns are fine. I'll just select seemingly at random this JIS wood there. And my scale is set at 10 right now. I'll set it at 1 just to demonstrate what's going on here. When I go to pick points and I select my triangle and hit spacebar twice, notice that I've got this nice hatch in there. Okay. Now, you can, after you've assembled your hatch for the first time, double click on it and it'll bring you back to this menu and you can adjust things. For instance, you can adjust the angle that the lines go, so I'll make this 105, or actually I'll make it 90. And I'll also adjust the scale to 2, and you should see the lines change both in the angle that the lines are and as well as the spacing between the lines. So if I hit OK, now you'll notice the lines are going this way and they're much further apart. If I continue to change the scale and make it even bigger, maybe I'll make it 4 this time, you'll notice the lines are even further apart. So if you think you've hatched something and you don't see any lines through your drawing, it may be that you have hatched it, but your scale is so large that the lines are missing the entire object. So that's a method right there, changing the scale, where you can change the look of the lines significantly, making them closer together or further apart.